Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be working on an activity called Find the Slope from 2 points. And this is code ZAC on IXL. This is Mr. Kane. Let's get started. So this is level 1 problems, okay? So on this particular activity, this goes from 0 all the way up to a smart score of 81. So all of them are basically the same. I'll do a few of them so you get the basic idea. And that way you can get to 80. And then from 80, you can see when I show you level 2, you can try to improve your score, get the highest score possible. So the question says, find the slope of the line that passes through 8, 10, and 5, 9. Simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction, improper fraction, or integer. So find the slope. What do we know about slope? Well, we know that slope is always rise over run. We learned that in a previous lesson. And we know that is a fraction, right? Rise, top of a fraction, run, bottom of a fraction. So in order to find the slope, we need a fraction. And if you're given 2 points, there's a formula that you need. It's called the slope formula. Let me show you what that looks like. It's like this, y2 minus y1 all over for your fraction, x2 minus x1. Okay, so we have our x is 8 and our y is 10. We have our x is 5 and our y is 9. So let's start with the y's. Remember, the y is this one and this one. It's the second number in your ordered pair. Okay, so here's the trick. This isn't because this is number 2 in the set, it doesn't make it y2. You can pick whichever y you want. You can start with whatever y you want. You don't have to use them in order. So what I like to do is pick the bigger y to start with. So let's do that. 10 is bigger than 9, so 10 minus 9 is 1, and then 8 minus 5, subtracting the x's, is 3. So our answer here is 1/3. 1 over 3. Turn that in. Okay, let's get rid of all this and let's do a couple more. So again, what do we have to do? We have to do y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So basically subtract your y's and then subtract the same x's. So start with a bigger y. 3 is bigger than 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. And since you started with this 3, you have to start with this 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So 1/8 is your answer. And you cannot simplify that, so we're good to go. Don't forget, you do have to simplify some of these. If you don't simplify, you will get it wrong. So let's do one more. So one more time. Y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So subtract your y's, subtract your x's. That'll give you the slope. This is the larger y, so I'm going to start on this side. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 10 minus 3 is 7. 2/7 is your answer. So hopefully you're getting this. This is this is basically how you do it. I'll do one more so you can see. And then once you get up to 81, it'll be a little bit different. Okay, so remember, y2 minus y1. This is what we need to burn in our brains here over x2 minus x1. So find the larger y. Is it 4 or 3? It's 4, right? So 4 minus 3 is 1, and 10 minus 4 is 6. So your answer is 1/6. Okay? That's how you do it.